Welcome back to the channel. In today's Wednesday walkthrough episode 8 video, I'm going to show you the second round of mud work over the reveal bead to create the flush baseboards. I'll show you how I scraped after the first coat and also how I did the top section separately from the bottom section of the reveal bead. I'll also show you how it looks after it's textured and painted. And if you missed last week's video where I showed you how to set the reveal bead in the 90-minute mud and also the L tearaway gasket bead, then I used a fiberglass mesh tape and the rope trick, which is perfect for keeping the joint compound out of the reveal bead. There's the reveal bead after the first coat using the 90-minute mud Max, and the Trimtex product. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll be doing another walkthrough after all the reveal bead has been set and second coated. I'll leave links to all the previous videos in this series where I showed you the tools I used to cut the drywall, soundproof in between each stud for the flush baseboards. I also showed you how I cut the cement board and the Aqua Defense liquid membrane that I used to keep moisture from getting to the cement board once it was installed on the floor. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, and painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Let's get into this video. Okay, so I wanted to give you a real look in real time of how it goes down on the job. So after this little clip, I'm going to do the demonstration. So stick around and stay tuned. Okay, so before I do the second coat, I like to take my 6-inch taping knife and just scrape off any high spots, or any knife marks. Let me know in the comments if you're a DIYer, a contractor, painter, handyman. Just kind of curious. So for the second coat, I like to use the just regular joint compound. This is USG all-purpose with the green lid. I do add just a tiny bit of water to get rid of any air pockets and also give it a nice smooth, creamy consistency. Since the rope's already been removed, I try and be careful not to get a bunch of joint compound in the reveal of the reveal bead. That way you don't have to go cleaning it out when it's all said and done. I pretty much treat the reveal bead mud work separately, so I do the top and then I'll do the bottom of the reveal bead. That way, again, it keeps any mud from getting in that reveal. Here's the wall where I did the reveal bead and the gasket tear away. So here's a quick walkthrough of the second coated reveal bead. Got a little fine tuning to do, gonna do some sanding, some touch up mud work, and then it's time to spray the orange peel texture, which is gonna be in the next video. Good size condo that we did all the reveal bead on the floor for the flush baseboard. Also did a lot of curved ceilings. If you watch this whole video, leave a hashtag drywall tube in the comments. That way I know who's watching these videos. And if you want to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. If you've got a friend that's a contractor or DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks so much for watching. There's more of my most popular video links down below in the description.